Hello, everybody from around the world. Happy to see you. Happy to meet you here. A warm welcome from my side. My name is Robert Bodenstein. I'm chair of ICMCI. Now geographically, we are in Vienna. Political, or however you call it, we are in nowhere land. We are in the United Nations land. We are in the office of the UNIDO, United Nations Industrial Development Organization. And they are located in Vienna, and we are happy that UNIDO is hosting us and is making this meeting possible. This conference is our annual conference, as we do every year, but usually, or at least until 2019, the last annual conference was, of course, a face-to-face meeting. This annual conference, as the last two annual conferences, is unfortunately virtual. But sharing experience online is even better than non-sharing experience. But the best way, of course, is face-to-face sharing experience. And we are all looking forward to see us in person soon. The title of this conference is Sustainability More Than a Megatrend in Consulting. What we wanted to say with that title is that, of course, sustainability is a megatrend, but it's not only a megatrend in terms of the impact on the economy, in terms of impact on the society. It's also a megatrend in terms of what does it mean for the consulting industry, and most probably we need to change many of our consulting methodologies or backgrounds or knowledge. We need to gain new knowledge, and this conference is addressing this megatrend, and it is, let me call it, it's more a starting point of upcoming series of additional webinars, experience sharing possibilities. And for this meeting, we want to start and give a little bit background information and share experience. We want to share the outcome of our survey. We fortunately, we won a speaker from UNIDO who is an expert in this topic, but maybe we do not can bring you all the answers you are asking for, because these answers we need to develop, we need to elaborate on, and we need to find in many more meetings and in many more events. Saying that, our program is addressing and is handling the meaning and the background of the conference, I'm convinced, in an excellent way. We will have a couple of presentations, and as I mentioned, I'm very happy to have our first speaker already sitting in the presentator's chair. Is Mr. Yan. He's from China, and he is working for UNIDO, and he has experience in the implementation of sustainable development goals, especially in the agro industry, in the rural areas of I forgot the country. Ethiopia, yes, in Ethiopia. And then we will have a presentation about the outcome of the survey we delivered a couple of weeks ago. This outcome will be presented by Gergana Mantarkova. Many of you, I'm sure, know her. And then Jeremy Webster will present his findings about implementing sustainability. And at the end, it's Christopher Harper from Canada. So you see, we have very interesting sessions. I don't want to talk too long. I would like to give enough room for discussions. But let us start with the presentation of Mr. Yan.